Rare combination here on this Trans Am. 1979, black with black cloth interior, 400, 4-speed, and air. We know Bert would approve. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. This is a really kick-ass Trans Am. It is a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, 400 4-speed with AC car, factory black on black. So there's really not a lot to hate on this car. If you like these, it doesn't get a whole lot better for a 79 Trans Am, at least if you ask me. But again, let me reiterate, this is a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. It is a 400 that is in it. It is a 7879 Suffix code correct motor. It's the PWH suffix code, which again would be a 7879 400 in one of these cars that was born with a 4-speed. So it is a date code, suffix code correct block for this car. And it is backed by the 4-speed manual transmission, which for me on any of these is extremely desirable. It takes these cars to the next level. You find a ton of them with the Olds motor with an automatic, so a 400 with the 4-speed is just absolutely killer if you ask me. Drives great, really performs like a stock style Trans Am. Nothing crazy high performance, but it does run down the road well. We're gonna let it warm up just a little bit before we get kind of crazy on it. We do have a receipt, I think it was from 2009, where it said that the motor was rebuilt. It really performs like a stock style rebuild, but again, cruises great down this road. Power disc brakes all the way around, power steering, heat and AC. The AC blows cold, but it's only coming out of the vents. It's not switching from the top or the bottom. So something's going wrong there, but the air does get cold. On the interior, factory black cloth interior. I believe the seat covers are probably original, maybe with the door panels as well. Headliner's in good shape, visors are in good shape. Couple little wrinkles in the top of the headliner in the back, and then you do have some bolster wear on the seat bottom from getting in and out. It's not torn, just a little like thin on the actual color of the seat cover, just again from wear, sliding in, sliding out. You can put a little dye on there if you want to, but for being what I think is a lot original interior, it shows well. The gauge lenses over on the right here for the two gauges on the right side are a little hazy, but you can still clearly see the gauges. The tach and the speedometer are easy to see in front of you. You do have tilt in here. Carpet's in good shape. You do have an aftermarket stereo with your little Bluetooth speaker right here, Bluetooth microphone, excuse me. Factory gauge bezels all in good condition. Dash looks good. Center console has a few little nicks in the like the rubber portion of it. Nothing major there. Just some little nicks from being kind of an original interior. Nice floor mats. Nice carpet as well. A few smaller things are not working on this Trans Am. Your horn does not do anything. Your reverse lights do not work. Your washer fluid sprayers are not spraying any fluid. And then the AC and the heat do work, but again, it's only coming out of the vents. It's not coming out of the top or the bottom. So something simple again, could be fixed there, but not the end of the world. That doesn't work section will be found on the website pcclassiccars.com in the additional media section. Find this piece of inventory in the inventory tab, click on it, scroll to the very bottom, and you'll see all that good stuff in there. We'll have the PHS documentation, the photos of the imperfections, and the does it work section, so make sure you guys check that out. While we're sitting here waiting, the car is showing 80,202. Very well could be an original mile car, but I don't have any paperwork to 100% say that that's accurate, so we do not actually know. I take back my previous statement as that this runs like a stock 400. It actually feels a little bit stronger, rolls out really well. That transmission shifts great, no grinding, clutch engages where you want it to. Really fun Trans Am to drive. This thing's killer. Smooths out really well. We're cruising at 60, 65 right now. No shakes, no shimmies. Easy car to drive, very comfortable out on the open road. On the underneath, really solid. Floors are great, frame is great. Inside the trunk, the drop downs, all the metal on the underneath of this car is very solid. Yes, you have a little bit of surface corrosion. but it's not a restored car. Nothing is worrisome. Just again, some little surface corrosion on the non-painted parts, but good original metal on the bottom side of this Trans Am. On the exterior, it's code 19, which is your factory black exterior. You have obviously the gold bird. There is a receipt as well in that additional folder that says that this car was repainted again back in 2009. So the paint's a little bit older. It's got some nicks on the front bumper. It's got some little flaws, little touch-ups, imperfections kind of walking around the car, but nothing that's jumping out at me that's major. Just some little stuff from something that's almost 20 years old on the paint and body, but still a good looking car. Nice wheels. The tires are in good shape with no dry rot or cracking, but they are an older date code. So at some point you might want to put some tires on there, but I would roll it like it sits for a little bit. I am really impressed on how this car really performs. As far as your suspension, it all looks like stock style equipment. Performs like you'd expect. Has no shimmies. It's not pulling me left, not pulling me right. The brakes stop the car true and straight. No fade left, no fade right. No rear end noises. As far as your driving position, comfortable to sit in this seat here. I like the way that I sit with the console. These are a comfortable seat. You do sit up a little bit proper, but with your tilt here, you can get more comfortable than some of your other seats from cars in this era. I love the fact that it's a black cloth interior. That's my favorite color interior on pretty much everything. And then some cars I love the leather, some cars I love the cloth, and these are one of the cars that I really prefer the cloth in. And finding a black cloth, black exterior car with a 400 and a 4-speed and AC, tough combo to find. Glass is in good shape. Few little windshield nicks from road use, but no spidering, no major cracks. You do have some vertical streaks on the back portions of both of the side windows. Those are probably the original glass, so if you wanted to, you could replace that at some point, but you don't have to. Rear view mirror does have some hazy spots in it. Wind it up here a little bit in a second. Hell yeah. For an old car, this thing is a blast. And it's a tight driving old car. It's not a sloppy, worn out, just beat up Trans Am. Fortunately, a lot of these cars tend to be really ratty and just kind of abused. This one does not fit that category. It is a good car. Inside the trunk, you have a spare, you have a nice mat. It's spatter painted back there, so underneath the mat, it shows great. All the metal, again, looks exactly like it should. Doesn't look like anything's really been done back there. When you pop the hood, it does have valve covers. Other than that, it looks pretty stock. Again, we found the suffix code on the front of the block. It's the PWH, if I'm not mistaken, but it does decode as a 78 to 79 400 block that would have came in a Trans Am with a 4-speed, so very well could be the right motor, but it is, again, date code, suffix code correct. Runs really well. Charging system's doing its job. Fluids look good. Hoses, belts, wiring. No issues with any of that stuff. The bottom side of the hood is nice. If you're not familiar with these cars, to pop the hood underneath the license plate bracket all the way up under the front bumper, you got to stick your hand up in there. There's a little pull handle that you pull and then the hood will pop. I'm gonna see if we can't get a little tire chirp here from the little TA on a Thursday afternoon. Let's not get hit by the bread truck though. Boom! That would suck. Cruising around in my TA. Don't have a second line, but that's okay. I'm fucking impressed. I am really impressed with this car. A lot of fun to bang gears in this thing. As always, I'm Michael. This is a black on black 404 speed with AC 1979 Pontiac Trans Am from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out all the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.